In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in Zoho Mail. To get started, open your Zoho Mail account and make sure you're on the main mailbox screen. This is the area where you can see all of your emails, folders, and the rest of your mail tools. If you're new to the layout, don't worry. Everything you need for this quick task is built right into the same workspace, so you won't need to open a separate app or switch to another page. Once you're inside Zoho Mail, take a look toward the bottom section of the screen. This is where you'll find the chat option. The chat feature is designed to let you communicate directly with people without leaving your inbox, which is helpful if you want to send a quick message while working through your email. Go ahead and click on the chat area. When you open it, you'll see a space where you can search. This search option helps you quickly find contacts, existing chats, and channels. It's especially useful if you have a busy account or a long list of people and conversations. Instead of scrolling through everything manually, you can simply type in the name of the person, the chat, or the channel you want to find. After that, search for the contact you want to message. As the results appear, look for the specific contact you want to start chatting with. Make sure you select the correct person, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. This will help you avoid opening the wrong conversation. Now click on that specific contact to start the chat. As soon as you do, the conversation window will open, and you'll be ready to send messages directly from within Zoho Mail. This makes the process simple and efficient, since your communication and email tools are all in one place. If the chat panel feels small on your screen, take a moment to adjust your view or expand the panel if that option is available in your interface. That can make the conversation easier to read and manage, especially during longer chats. And that's it. Once you know where the chat section is and how to search for contacts, starting a conversation in Zoho Mail becomes very quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more confident using the chat feature inside Zoho Mail.